If you're a motorist, you probably have noticed this, auto insurance premiums rising. Our guest says they are up 12% on a national level over the past year. Quite the jump. We're joined by Nainesh Kotak, founder of Kotak Personal Injury Law. Thanks very much for joining us.
And thanks for having me.
Generalizing, and I know there's different auto markets across the country, but can you tell us why insurance premiums are up so much in the past year?
Right. So it's not just this past year. You know, we're looking at historic rate increases. Every year they go up. Even during the 2020, the height of that pandemic going into 21, overall insurance premiums went up. So it's not like we've ever had really a decrease. Okay. This is quite significant. Some insurers were approved up to 30%. So I'll give you an example. In Ontario, rates are approved by FSRA, the Financial Service Regulatory Service Authority. They're the ones who're supposed to approve it. And there needs to be a justification for approving it. But unfortunately, it seems the oversight is a little bit lax on this, because we can also look at profits. You see, okay, if you know, insurance companies definitely 100% need to make profits. We invested them, make profits. But what we're seeing is excessive profits. Even the reporting for excessive. Even the first 6 months reporting for this year, we see all the major insurance companies, their intake of premiums have gone up and the payouts have gone less, even with their own reporting. Cost of claims has actually gone down when it comes to things like bodily injury. So I'll give you Ontario as an example. We have what's called really a two-tier system. We have a no-fault system and a fault system. The no-fault system came into effect in 1990, and over time it was there to say, okay, look, you won't be able to sue for as much. We'll give you some statutory benefits, but premiums will go down. The opposite, in fact, has happened.
Look, and that was to avoid expensive legal battles over compensation.
Yes, yeah. That was the theory behind it. But in fact, the disputes for the no fault are very costly. We have what's called the Licensed Appeal Tribunal in Ontario. They handle any disputes with your own insurer over income replacement, over treatment, attendant care, things like that. Studies came out from a company called InHealth recently. It just came out a couple of weeks ago. The reality is, the injured person wins at about 10 to 15% of the cases that go before that tribunal. There's about a 10% or so, 10 to 15% split. The rest are won by insurance companies, and that tells you that that system it's fraught with legalities. Insurers are paying their lawyers to fight these claims for things like income replacement, and they're winning repeatedly because of the way the system, unfortunately, has been set up. So recently, one of the things that the provincial government is trying to do to maybe to save in premiums, and I personally don't think it's going to work, because the reality is we have a no-fault system that's been so watered down under the previous Liberal government. You know, income replacement has been staying at $400 since 1999. You have a medical rehabilitation that it's supposed to be $65,000, but in reality it's $3,500. They consider all injuries minor unless you have a fracture, a complete tear, severe psychological impairment. So you're stuck with $3,500 of treatment anyway.
Total? $3,500?
Total. And this is for probably 80 to 90% of injuries. So you're paying a high premium, but that's what you get. Now, let's look at you mentioned saving on lawsuits. So to get any money for pain and suffering, you know, for a lawsuit in a car accident in Ontario, you need to prove your injury is permanent and serious impairment of an important bodily, psychological, or mental function. Then there's a $46,000 deductible that insurance companies get to keep. They keep it, and it goes up every year by inflation. So previous year was 44, then 46, then it's going to be $48,000. So already the system is stacked against the accident victim. What's coming in 2026 is an opt-in on the no-fault, and that is for benefits like income replacement benefits, funeral, education. In other words, you don't have it unless you ask for it and unless you pay for it. Most people, you know, if they're having a hard time meeting ends meet, let's face it, we've had historic inflation over the past, couple of years or so. Most likely, most people are going to pick the cheapest policy. So if they don't buy that, they get in an accident, they don't get paid income replacement benefits. They have to sue, and that takes a long process. Parents buying policies that are for the family. So you've got kids turning 18, 19, they're still at home. They don't make that choice. Their parents make that choice. So they get in an accident, they don't get the educational loss benefit, etc., if their parents don't buy it. So I think it's incumbent on people, if you have a policy coming up for renewal and this option is put to you, opt in, buy the income replacement benefit.
You will pay a bit more, of course.
Slightly more. These things, the savings that we're going to get on the new system that's coming is going to be entirely insignificant. It's probably maybe $100 a year, $200 a year. Opt in for these things, so at least you can salvage whatever we have left in our auto insurance system to be compensated for.
Just finally, shop around, obviously, as ever.
Shop around. Look, there's a number of insurance companies, and where you can get the deals, if you're buying home insurance, you can package it all together with your home insurance, talk to the broker. If it's the same company, you might get better deals when you're buying a number of products. Buy critical illness, buy your home insurance, buy your auto from the same company. If possible, you might get deals, but certainly shop around. Buy those optional benefits so that if you're in an accident, you don't have those catastrophic consequences of no compensation.
Thank you very much. I know that your analysis is going to resonate with a lot of people who are frustrated by these rising premiums. Thank you very much.